This is the Tailblocks.cc website. It has a lot of modules that you could use to build your web pages, and I'm going to use this first header here. I'm calling this header 1. So this is the code for header 1, and as you can see, it uses some classes, and these classes are from TailwindCSS website. So here's TailwindCSS website. It shows you how to get started. Really the only thing you need is this script tag to cdn.tailwindcss.com. So what I've done, I've taken the Tailblocks code and copied it to my website because I was afraid that Tailblocks would go away at some point. So I created a blocks framework page on my website at alanneese.net/blocks, and right here are all the modules from Tailblocks. So we're going to write some code. I've opened up Visual Studio Code, commonly called VS Code. I'm going to create a new file in my HostGator account, and I'm going to call it header1.html. I'm going to use the exclamation mark, and it is a IMIT abbreviation that gives you the default HTML tags to get started. Call this header 1. So the first thing I need to do is to copy in the CDN from TailwindCSS. You can find this code in the TailwindCSS documents. The CDN makes the TailwindCSS classes work correctly. So we need to go to the blocks framework page and click on header. Here's header 1, the one that we're going to use. And click this copy link. The code is copied to my clipboard, and we're going to paste it here in the body. So that gives us Tailblocks header 1, which is right here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to paste in the code that I need for my website. And here it is with my logo and company name and my links. Now I also have some instructions that I want to copy and paste right here on what we need to do. So the first step is to delete the original SVG graphic, which is right here. So we're going to get rid of that and place the image of my new icon in there. So let's grab the image, and we're gonna place it right here. Second step is to change the name of the span element. So we're going to replace Tailblocks with alanneese.net. So there's my new icon and alanneese.net. The third thing to do is to get rid of the button, which is right here. So this is pretty easy. Delete that whole button element. There it goes. Number 4 is to change the links to the links that I have. So I'm going to grab these 3 links here, copy them, and I'm going to paste them right here. A says I chose text large instead of text base, so text base to text large. And I removed the right margin off the, well, that's already taken care of because I copied the exact anchor link. So in 4 easy steps, we went from the Tailblocks header 1 to my header 1 for my new website.